Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice on a pot easy guide. Start by measuring 1 cup rice and 2 cups water, rinse until clear, then bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat to low, cover tightly, and simmer for 15 minutes without lifting the lid. Turn off heat and let sit sealed for 10 minutes to finish steaming. Fluff with a fork and serve warm for best texture. I'll walk you through simple timing and ratios you can trust. Measure rice and water carefully, bring to a boil uncovered, then lower to a gentle simmer and cover. Set a timer for 15 minutes for standard white rice, then power off and let the pot rest for 10 minutes with the lid on. This resting period yields fluffy rice and prevents gummy texture. Finish by fluffing gently with a fork. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy cooking tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great while you cook and drive. I've linked the product and other deals in the description below, so check there for details and offers. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Here are quick fixes when things go wrong and how to avoid mistakes. For firm rice, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water and steam with the lid on for a few minutes. For mushy rice, reduce the water amount by 1/4 next time and use a lower simmer. Remember not to lift the lid while cooking. That small change keeps steam and consistent heat for perfect results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.